extremely important because presents the academic image of not just an individual, but of an institutional and the entire nation. The number of research articles published in reputed journals is one of the globally accepted indicators considered for various academic purposes, such as institutional ranking, appointment, promotions of faculty members, membership of academic committee, award of research degree, etc. We have seen the last couple of years in India, the problem of predatory, devious, and substandard journals has become a cause of serious concern all over the world. Not only India, it's the problem of global problem. The percentage of research articles published in poor quality journal is reported to be high in India. A lot of evidence and reported already published in newspaper also, which has adversely affect its image. Publications in devious or substandard journals reflect adversity leading to long-term academic damage and a tarnished image of an individual. It is damage the image of institution as well as nation. Now the question is how we will identify a quality journal. Whether a journal published by costly international reputed publisher should always considered a quality journal, or can we put tag to a locally published journal in vernacular languages, a non-qualitative journal? Let us listen what today's speaker thrown a light on this topic. With this brief introduction, let me have the privilege to welcome Dr. Bapun Kumar Maiti, librarian, Sammilani Mahavidyalaya, to deliver his lecture in this 337th Study Circle meeting. Prior to his present designation, he has served as a district library officer under Department of Mass Education and Library Services, Government of West Bengal, and librarian at Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. I welcome Dr. Bapun Kumar Maiti. It is our great privilege to have with us Professor Amitabh Chatterjee, whose name is self-explanatory. He is a well-known, very senior academician and very dignitary professional in our field. Who is in this meeting? I welcome you, sir. I welcome all the IASLIC office bearers and dear professional colleagues who has participated in this meeting. For the time being, we are watching around 53 participants have joined, not only our local area, but also from whole India and abroad. From Bangladesh, we have seen Ajijur sir, and probably from Namibia, Victor also is here. So maybe many people will join when time will pass. I request Professor Amitabh Chatterjee to take charge of this session and let's start the program.
So thank you. Now everybody knows that scientists, researchers, scholars, they want to convey their findings through some papers published in journals so that it can reach the academic community and they know what he or she is doing. And for that, it is necessary that it is published in a good journal. And as he has pointed out, Dr. Hattu has pointed out, there are now a large number of journals which are of very low quality. That is why it is necessary for a person to first judge in which journal I should publish my paper so that it reaches the people whom I want to actually reach this one. So in this case, we'll have to think about how to judge this quality, what are the indicators, quality indicators, how practically we can assess a journal, etc. I think these are some of the points which are highlighted by Dr. Maiti, who I heard that has worked on this particular area for quite a long time. I request Dr. Maiti to present uh, his speech or whatever he has prepared, if it is in the, he will speak or he will present it in PPT, whatever it is, you start doing it.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Before starting my lectures, just, I like to share one thing. If raise any technical issues like net issues from my end, please inform to me. I can join from another device. Okay. Good evening, all of you. Respected President and General Secretary of YES League and Chairman of this study circle session, Professor Amitabh Chatterjee, former head of the Department of Jadavpur University, convener of Catholic Study Circle Division, Professor Sudeep Ranjan Hatua, head of the department, Rabindranath University, and other dignitaries and participants. First of all, I would like to thank the YES League Study Circle Division for giving me the opportunity to to say the topic here. My topic, assessment of quality of journal. There are three components: assessment, quality, journal. Just we are aware, just 2 or 3 years back, before lockdown, UGC has come up with an approved list of journals that would be considered for the purpose of career advance scheme and direct recruitment of teachers and other academic staff as required under the University Grant Commission Regulation 2016. And after that, UGC has notified UGC care list in the 2019. From that time, we are talking about those terms like journal impact factor, good journal, index journal, like of this. So this point of view, why do need a journal assessment? Why do the needs a journal assessment? Basically 3 point: selection of journal. While selecting journal for acquisition in a library, librarian can selection of the journal on the basis of impact factor. And second is discontinuation of journal. Many times libraries need to discontinue some journal because of budget constraint or other factors. Librarians can arrange the journals according to their impact factors and then choose for deselecting. And last one is selection of publishing house. It's a very important. If you publish an article, definitely you will choose a good journal, specifically UGC listed or UGC care list journals. So in this point of view, there are so many journal parameters and ranking metrics are there. Just give a 1 or 2 couple of seconds. I am sharing my slide. Showing on the screen my slide. Okay.
Yes, audible. Make it full screen.
Yeah. Okay. There are so many metrics are available and ranking tools are available. Some of these: journal impact factor, site score matrix, SJR, source normalized impact per paper, age index, Google Scholar Metrics, CWTS journal indicators, all metrics, and such. I'm not discuss all metrics. I just mentioned that two metrics: journal impact factor and sign of a journal rank. All metrics, most of all metrics based on impact factor. Journal citation report, JCR, published every year. They publish 2 years and 5 years impact factor list, previously published by ISI, Institute of Scientific Information, and those journal index in Web of Science. And SGR indicator published by Spanish University and journal listed in index in Scopus. These two database and other is Google Scholar database. These three databases are very well known to us, but they are calculate only those journals are included in their databases, and all metrics based on impact factor. All we are know about the impact factor, how to calculate a impact factor. Just give one example how to calculate an impact factor. Say, for example, you calculate 2 years impact factor. Impact factor is 2019. Number of citations received in 2019 from all items published in 2017 and 2018 divided number of articles and reviews published in 2017 and 2018 of said article. So I'm talking about an impact factor because scientifically, is it true? Calculation of total citation received by a source item. You calculate only those journals which are available in your database and also available in online. In case of Indian Citation List or any online databases, those journals are available in the specific databases or available in online. Then you can calculate the number of citations received by source item. But so many journals are published in offline mode. They have no index in Web of Science, Scopus, or Google Scholars. So, impact factor, there are so many questions. The impact factor is not only criteria to evaluate quality of a journal. Impact factor does not reflect the impact or citation of any individual article. So, an article, just to give an example, so an article having fewer citations published in a high impact factor journal is given more importance than a highly cited article published in a low impact factor journal. So impact factor does not reflect the impact or citation of an individual article. Not only that, you self citations are there. While calculating impact factor, self citations are also counted. And it depends on the size of the field concerned. A large field size would draw more citation than one having a small size. So, raise the question about impact factor. Definitely, impact factor is a criteria, but not only criteria to evaluate quality of a journal. In this point of view, what are the scenario in case of Indian journals? There are so many studies are there on Indian journals reflects in Web of Science, Scopus, or other international databases. It has been found coverage of Indian journals is only 20% to 30% in the Web of Science and Scopus, and most of which are scientific and medical science related journals. And that point of view, we have fixed some parameters to measure the quality of a journal. We have studied 90 journals on social science published from India. Finally, we select only 17 journals for our study. Now, today's I'm going to discuss. We have suggested a new model journal quality point. Now, my kernel areas are going to discuss what are the basic parameters to be considered to measure quality of a journal. What is journal quality point? How to measure journal quality point? How to identify average, good or best quality journal? We have take up 15 parameters and we have using 3-point scale for distributing of points. Physical appearances, we have choose 9 parameters. Reference analysis, you can choose from reference analysis 5 parameters, and last one, impact factor. Impact factor is there. What are the parameters considered under physical appearances? First, reputation of the publishers, the first parameter under physical appearances. It has been found that the most of the renowned journals are published by society or association or organization. So we can categorically divide reputation of publishers in 3 groups. Journal published by society, association or organization will give a 3 point. Journal published by academic institution will give 2 point and considers a good journal, and journal published by private agency or individual will get a 1 point, considered as an average journal. The first point, reputation of the publishers, we credit to reputation of the publishers in our among the 15 parameters. That is the 1 parameter. Next, age of journal. The age of the journal gives a great impact and value to the reader's mind. A journal publishing since last say 100 years or 50 years obviously will provide a great impact than a journal is being published since say just 5 years. So to give a point, journal published is more than 20 years will give a 3 point and consider as a good journal, very good journal. Journal is between 5 to 20 years will give 2 points and consider as a good journal. Journals is below 5 years will get 1 point and consider as an average journal. Next, keyword available with the articles. A number of 3 category, number 3 parameters. Keywords are the most important component for every search engine. As well as essential to search a journal article in database. After the title, perhaps keywords are the most important field to express the thought content written in the text. So, keywords are available with all articles in a journal will give a 3 point and consider as a very good journal. Keywords are available with only some articles in a journal will give a 2 point, consider as a good journal. Keywords are not available with all articles, consider as the average journals and get 1 point. Next, writing style of articles. Writing style of the published article in a journal, that is a font variation for title, abstract, heading and subheading, etc. is important to maintain for consistency. This gives a great impact in reader mind. Most of the common readers attracted to read the article by seeing the text at first glance. A good font, clear chart and diagram clearly mention heading, subheading and other aesthetic brings a good impact of a journal. So, writing style is maintain equal pattern with all articles in a journal will get 3 point and consider as a very good journal. Writing style is maintained occasionally with all articles Give a 2 point, consider as a good journal. Writing style is not maintaining of all articles, consider as a average journal and get 1 point. Next, type number parameter, it layout of the text. It looks at the title followed by the author with clear appellation and contact address, abstract, keywords, introduction, objectives, methodology, outcomes, suggestions, or findings or conclusion and references. It's a very important for article. If layout of the text is maintained equal pattern with all articles, give a 3 point and consider as a very good. If layout of the text is maintaining occasionally with all articles, give a 2 point and consider as a good journal. If layout of the text is not maintaining of all articles, consider as an average journal and will get 1 point. Next, submission procedure of manuscripts. When an author decides to submit a manuscript for publication, that manuscript going through many phases as it is checked, refined and adjusted. So submission process is an important parameter to evaluate a journal. You submit an article, renowned databases or renowned journal. There are so many steps are there. So submission method through online is considered as a very good and given 0.3. Submission method through email or CD is considered as good and given 0.2. Submission method through print is considered as average and given 0.1. Credential of authors. An author's credential, that is educational background, publishing history, professional experience, his affiliation, etc. are important because they can be a key factor in establishing the author as an expert or authority on a particular topic. So, credential of authors mentioned with all articles in a journal given 3 point and considered as a very good journal. Credential of authors mentioned occasionally will give a 2 point and consider as a good journal. And only author's name mentioned with articles given 1 point and consider as a average journal. Guideline for papers to be published with peer review process. You know, so many high quality journals, they have clearly mentioned the guideline. So most of the good journals have very specific guidelines for how to write papers to be published, and rigorous peer review process is there. So example, specific guideline with peer review process, give a 3 point, you give 3 point and consider as a very good journal. There only have specific guideline. There is no peer review process. You know, some journal publishing house, you will only pay rupees 2,000 or 3,000 and only you give a declaration being an author, then this journal house publish your articles. There are so many journal houses are there we have studied. So they only have specific guideline. Will give a 2 point considered as a good journal. There is no strictly guideline. Give a 1 point and considers it average journal. Yes, these are very important parameters. Reference style used in articles. You know, there are so many reference styles are there. It's a very popular reference style, APS style, Chicago manuals are there. The quality of an article most depends on the references it used. It must follow some standard. there are so many popular standards are available for reference style, which is used in an article as a reference, because they they do not maintain any standard when through published through online. The search engine or the program do not extract the data, and you will follow the standard. It's easy to retrieve the data or fetch the data from reference. So reference style used in articles is very important. Reference followed any recommended standard will give a 3 point and consider as a very good journal, and references followed self standard in a journal will give 2 point, consider as good journal. And reference used in different style or self style consider as a average journal and will get 1 point. So these 9 parameters consider under physical appearance. And next, we have considered 3 categories. Already I have told. One is physical appearance. There are considered 9 parameters. And second category is reference styles, reference analysis. We have studied all the reference of each article. Actually, we have studied 17 journals and more than 10,000 references and 989 articles. We have studied all the reference of each article to find a scenario of what types of document has been used to create that article. That's a very important part. When you research on a specific topic of your subject domain, so literature search is very important. What are the scenario you're going to on a research on the particular topic, or the scenario, Indian scenario or foreign scenario, international scenario. So literature review or reference study is very important. To do that, we have categorized all the references. Reference from foreign journals used in his article, reference from Indian journals, and reference from conference proceedings, reference from books, and reference from webpages, excluding database. In this way, we'll give the point. Reference from foreign journals, reference use greater than equal 50 will get a 3 point. Reference use less than 30 and more than 50 will get 2 point. And this way we'll get the point. Same way, we have studied 17 journals and scoring the point in 3-point scale, and showing on the screen Indian Journal of Agriculture Economics. The 6 point, Economics and Political Weekly score of 5 points, and this way Indian Journal of Human Development scored 5 points. That citation analysis and that content analysis based on citation analysis. By studying previous 2 years, we have got number of citation which have been received by source article of each journal, and this has been found by consulting Google Scholar, Web of Science, Scopus, and other online sources. Already I have told we have also considered impact factor. Impact factor is one of the important parameter, but not only parameter to evaluate quality of a journal. Among the 15 parameters, impact factor is one of the main important parameters. Next, we have designed a formula, journal quality point. JQP equal to 1.83 minus JM. How to calculate 1.83? Coming in the next slide. JM equal to journal mean point, total score occurred, divided 15. And this way you can say you have a journal, you have a 15 parameters, you get the point according to 15 parameters, you can score, then you divide it by 15, then you can get a JM, journal mean point. Okay. Next slide, I'm showing on the screen how to calculate 1.83. Actually is a average mean point. Average mean value of maximum points and mean value of minimum points. Actually, you have a 15 parameters. They score maximum points, and here you have a journals. They score minimum points. So you can get an average mean point 1.83. In this way, journal quality point equal to 1.83 minus JM. So according to our scale, quality of a journal can be considered as, we can define only this journal's average or good quality journal or very good journal. So according to our scale, if journal quality point greater than 0, less than equal 0.3, then it will be considered as average quality journal. If journal quality point greater than 0.3, less than equal 0.6, then it will be considered as good quality journal. If journal quality point greater than 0.6 and less than equal 1, then it will be considered as very good quality journal. So we have studied on social science journal published from India. We have studied 989 articles and more than 10,000 references. We have fixed these 15 parameters for evaluate quality of a journal. So you have a journal, you have a 15 parameters, you have a formula, you just scoring and put up the score, and then you can identify those journals, average journals, it is a good quality journal or very good quality journal. In this way, Indian Journal of Agriculture Economics is getting a score 0.44 and status is good journal 0.44, get score 0.44. Mention JQP greater than 0.3 and less than equal 0.6, then it will be considered as good quality journal. So economics and political weekly get 0.37 and considers a good journal. 0.37 means journal quality point greater than 0.3 and less than equal 0.6. So that it will be considered as a good quality journal. And this way, social change, social scientist, journal world development, Indian Journal of Gender Studies, Science, Technology and Society, they score 0.64, considered as a very good journal. 0.64 means journal quality point greater than 0.6 and less than 1.0. So then it will be considered as a very good journal. So there are the studies and we have fixed these 15 parameters. On this, based on these 15 parameters, we have formulate a model, a journal quality point. This is the formula, and before the publishing your articles, you will test it through this model, and you can identify the good or very good or average journals. And already we have published in this model in Scientometrics. Just give a 1 second. Design a model to evaluate a scholarly publication with special reference to social science in India. So thank you. This is my end of topic. And if you have any question, you write a chat box or ask to me, and I will try to answer this question.
Thank you, Dr. Maiti. Now, anybody is having any query or question or any clarification, you may ask. Anybody who may like to ask something from Dr. Maiti or clarify something? No query?
Yes, there is a query. There is a query written in the checkbox. Will you check it, or shall I read? One question was asked. Is asked by Dr. M. Tamja is already covered, and I could not see properly.
He asking the question. Impact factor is sufficient for deciding quality of a journal. Do you agree? Earlier, already I have told, impact factor is a criteria, important criteria to evaluate quality of a journal. But there is not only criteria to evaluate quality of journal. So that point of view, we have fixed 15 parameters with impact factors. So impact factor is not only
one factor. Any other? Any other query?
Omlan Das raised his hand.
Put on your query, please. Amlan Das, are you hearing?
And also
you unmute yourself, unmute and then make the query. Unmute yourself and then make the query. Amlan Das.
And Dr. Obhijit Chakraborty has also raised the hand.
So he is not working. He is not responding.
Sir, can I ask my question?
Yes.
Who? Dr. Obhijit Chakraborty?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dr. Maiti, good evening to all, and pranam to all my teachers. Sir, I have a question. While you are calculating, while you are calculating the journal quality point, you have mentioned about two criteria: X capital M and X small m, isn't it?
Yes.
And the capital X, X capital M stands for? Would you please tell me X capital M?
Yes. Capital M means average mean value of maximum points. Say you have a journal. Get score maximum points. Okay. And you have a journal score minimum points. So is the average mean point 1.83. XM is average mean value of maximum points, and X small m is mean value of minimum points. Okay.
Yes. Then maximum value minus minimum value is the average.
No, maximum values plus minimum values divided to average.
By 2. Yes, yes. A maximum value plus minimum value divided by 2 is the average.
Yes.
And would you please tell me from which theorem you have derived this formula?
Is the average mean point.
This formula,
Average.
no, how you have this arrived at this particular formula.
Yes. We have a 15 parameters and
Mhm.
maximum point is 3. Actually, we have select a 3-point scale. Those journals are receive a maximum points. You have a 15 parameters, maximum point means 45. You can go to maximum points 45. Okay. And you have minimum points is 1. And 15 parameters get 15 points. And divided by 15, you can get a 0.66. And maximum point means 45. 15 parameters get maximum point means 45 divided 15 as 3. So in this way, calculate a 1.83.
Okay, okay.
Is it?
And if these criteria is applied to say for example any journal which are not covered in your study, will it evoke the same result?
Actually, we have studied specifically in social science and humanities. Already, we have studied and we done a pilot project, and result is same. But we are not studied in science and technology and medical science. Not applied in
Yeah,
science and
because sir, I have one question in mind because as per your studies, the Economic and Political Weekly is a very coveted journal in India,
yes.
but it has scored an average point in your study.
Now is a good journal, not average.
Yes, good journal.
Yes.
Not
But
very.
some other journals, 2 or 3, which we haven't heard of.
Yes, economic affairs, social change or contribution to industry is a very good journal. Actually, we have equally contribute the points of 15 parameters. We have take up 15 parameters and then we have get the point according to their physical appearance and reference studies and finally impact factor. Then they receive the points and according to JQP, then they can the journals can score JQP.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Any more
Comment
query?
something.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, this is a study for how to assess the quality. Sometimes there is a myth, like Dr. Chakraborty has raised the question or some comment that we know that economic EPW is one of the renowned journal in our field, but myth cannot be the actual fact. So we have to consider many things in point of academic view as well as in librarian's point of view. Which journal we will consider as a quality journal? Sometimes EPW content may be very good, may be excellent. Their author's affiliation also very excellent, but it cannot fulfill other criteria, which could be considered as a quality of journal. That's why point of EPW will go less rather than others. It is one criteria. Number 2, say I have one journal. I will ask Dr. Maiti that to answer this question. Say I have one journal. I have a small library and I have to select one journal from say science or some other field. I cannot select 100 journals or 20 journals. Now, whether that particular one journal, how we can get maximum point and minimum point, so that we can calculate JM, JQP, whatever may be. But for a single journal, how will I identify the quality? From a bunch of journals, I can assess from these 15 parameters. But for a single journal, how will I assess? Because I have only 1 point. We don't have maximum point, we don't have minimum point.
Right.
Right. Okay. You have a one journal before the purchasing of a journal, you can assess which journals you can purchase from your library.
Okay. So, would you say that whether I should take the journal or not, I have to compare the same kind of journals available in the market, and
Then
we have to
decide.
calculate all the journals, all the we have to take all the points. Then only we have to decide whether that particular journal we will collect or not.
Right.
That means you
Sir,
want to say
depend-
like that.
Yes. All points are same. All are equal status.
Without comparison, it is not possible, it seems.
Yes. Without comparison, is not possible.
Any other query, comment?
One another query was there. Some it is in the notification.
Yeah. Please read it.
Pradeep Roy has made a query.
So,
Many journals bi-monthly or quarterly published article. Is frequency of a journal publication in a year is considered as your model? Can you consider frequency as a point
no,
parameter
no,
for
no,
assessment of the quality?
no, we did not consider the frequency of journal publications.
Probably a journal published in a year or single volume, or published in 12 volume, though there is a again it's whether it is a myth or not, sir will answer the right way, that quality quantity and quality is inversely related. Whether it is a myth or not, will ask Amitabh sir to clarify. Sometimes we said that quantity and quality is inversely related. If some quantity will increase, means quality will decrease. So a journal published in a single volume or maybe have a good quality, rather a journal published in monthly, 12 issue or something like that. We don't think so that will make very big differentiation. Quality, if journal maintain the quality, means it will maintain for single issue or it will maintain a full volume. What we consider probably. Sir, unmute you. Sir, you are muted, sir.
Any other
Sir,
comments?
please unmute. Yes.
Any other comments?
One another
Sorry?
question is there.
Yeah.
One another question is there.
Yes, please.
Sandeep Mojumdar has raised a question. It is not probably whether it is a question or comment. It is not that a renowned author will always write outstanding article, and relatively new entrant may write excellent paper. So, is it not flawed to give highest point for renowned author?
No, author's credential is a one parameter among the 15 parameters.
Yes.
So not only criteria to is excellent articles. With a with the author's credential, with other 14 parameters are there.
Yes.
Okay. So, Dr. Maiti, so what I feel that there are 15 altogether parameters and you could cover only 2. And that is why possibly some confusion has been created. Unless you are able to explain all the 15, what are other 15, possibly this confusion will persist. So anyway, but you have done a good job. I think you have actually tried to quantify the assessment.
Sir, may I? Sir,
Yeah, please.
Actually, he has mentioned, sir, 15 parameters. He has mentioned 15 parameters has been clarified in 3 categories.
Okay.
In the
So
first category,
Huh?
yes, all the 15 category he has mentioned.
Mentioned, it is no doubt about
Yes,
it.
yes.
Mentioned, but and how it is done, that also he has pointed out.
Yes, yes.
But if all the 15 could be explained separately, possibly it would have been better,
Uh,
but because it is not possible in a very short time. It is not possible at all.
yes, yes.
Anyway, but what you have arrived at a particular formula, which actually by that you can quantify your assessment can be quantified, and possibly you can take help of that while purchasing journals in a library. But for a particular person, a writer, a researcher, if he wants to find out something and then he can decide in which journal I should contribute, possibly that is not possible for him, as I feel. But when I started, I said that the researchers, writers, etc., they actually want to publish in a good journal so that it has good impact. But for a particular person, it is not possible to calculate all these points and then do the job. But otherwise, as in a library, possibly it can be applied very well, and you can actually decide about the list of journals that you are going to subscribe. I'm glad that you have been able to do it, but because of shortage of time, possibly everything cannot be done in a short period. So that is why some problem was there. Yes, anything you want?
May I ask another question, sir?
after everything is finished. Okay, ask him.
It has arose in my mind, so I asking. But could we consider price of a journal too?
Price with a quality.
Yes, you have found out a journal is a very selectable or trustworthy, or JQP is very great, but the price of that particular journal is very high. And in a country like India, when purchasing anything, we step down considering the price of different articles. So in that case, could we consider price of a journal as a criteria too?
What do you think, Maitri?
No, criteria is not considered as a quality.
Yeah, it's not quality. I also agree with you. The quality is quality. It has nothing to do with the price. Okay, so you have made a good study, no doubt. But because the time was short, it could not present everything. It is not possible also. But what I am alarmed after everything I said and done, that you have mentioned that there is mushrooming of journals in our country, possibly in other countries also, after UGC care list came. And many of them are demanding money and publishing the article against money, and where the quality is not looked at all. That is a very bad trend. I don't know how this trend can be stopped. I wish that this trend is stopped and actually some good quality journals are published, and against payment, publication against payment must be stopped altogether. Thank you.
So, may I request Joydeep Chandra to deliver the vote of thanks?
Thank you, Sudipda. On behalf of YesLIC Study Circle Division, it is my privilege to convey the traditional vote of thanks. So firstly, I would like to mention Professor Lerkar, the President of YesLIC, and Sri Abhijit Kumar, the Secretary of the organization, as well as the President of our Zone 6, Professor Krishnapada Majumdar. And obviously, today's session, my brother, Dr. Dasan Kumar Mahati, has presented lucidly, and it is a good topic on the deliberation, and after the deliberation, the discussion proves that he has shown a new topic where there is a scope for a lot of research and obviously some interaction. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to Professor Amitabh Chatterjee for his nice presiding over the session, and not the least, all the participants who have participated and make the program successful. Thank you all. Over to you, Sudipda.
with all this, with your kind permission, shall I close the session?
Yeah, please do it.
Okay, sir. Good night,
Good
sir.
night. Good night, everybody.